Hello guys, and welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a user in Entra Admin Center. So you open your favorite browser and type in entra.microsoft.com. You're going to be requested to put your username and password. After that, you are going to come to this dashboard of Entra. When you enter into the dashboard, you're going to see a screen more or less like this one you see here. On your left, we've got quite a number of options. We've got Entra ID, we've got identity protection, ID governance, verified ID, global secure, etc. Today we are interested with Entra ID and we want to create a user. So we click on users, click on all users. In my tenant, I currently have 3 users only. So we are going to create a new user. Click on new user. We've got 2 options to create a new user, which is an internal user who is in your organization. And we also have an option to invite an external user who is coming to collaborate with you in your organization. Here we are creating an internal user. So click on create new user. As you can see, we've got about 4 options here. We are on the basic tab. The first thing we are required is to create a user principal name. This is what your user is going to use to sign in different Microsoft 365 services like Outlook, SharePoint, Teams, and many other platforms. So we are going to create a user called Alice. So the user principal name, we are just going to put a first name. She's going to be called Alice Rose. So you could do something like this, alice.ara. And here's the domain. You select the domain that you want. I've got a personal domain that I already created for my tenant, but you might, in your own tenant, you might have something like this with on Microsoft.com. But I've got one which is personalized, which is a .com only. Mail nickname derived from user principal name. That's the option that I'll just leave. You can choose to change and write whatever you want here, but I'll just leave as it is. Display name, Alice Ross. So this is what people are going to see when Alice send emails, when Alice interact with other users. This is what people are going to see, that the person is Alice Rose. That's why it's called a display name. Password, we are going to use an auto-generated password. You could choose to create your own password, but in this video, we are just going to use an auto-generated password. Account enabled, we leave it checked. This means that the user's account is going to be active. By the time we finish creating it, Alice can log in after we send the details to her. She can log in and start interacting well, depending on the permissions and the licenses that we would have given her. But if we keep it unchecked, that means Microsoft says here, if not checked, this user will be blocked from signing in. This can be updated after the user creation. We are going to leave it checked. We are going to move next to properties. First name, Alice. Last name, Ross. Is a member. Then job information, maybe Alice is a finance director. And department, finance. I'm sorry about that. Department, finance, company, employee ID. All this information, you can fill them. They will help in many different ways, auditing purposes, um, when you are just checking how things are happening from a certain department, maybe from a certain location, maybe we've got different locations. So I could go for Pinetown. That's the office, Pinetown office. Then here you can put the contact information, street address, city, etc. I'm not going to fill in all this, but when you are following me along, you can go through and fill in all the details. In a normal usage location, very important, especially for licensing. I'm just going to put in South Africa. Let me just select it from the site, South Africa. Then next, assignments. Assignments, here we can assign a user into a group that already exists. I don't have any group at the moment, but I'm going to show you in the videos to come. Add a role if you want them to be to have a certain role, you can assign it here. A user administrator, help desk, any of the role, you can do it here. But for the interest of this video, we are not going to focus on that. Review and create. Here we just confirm the information that we've typed, the user principal name, display name, and other properties that we have set. Even the assignments, the groups, the roles, administrative units, you can see all here. If you're happy, then we go ahead and create. It did not take us even a second. Successfully created a user. So let's refresh and see if the user is created. There we go. Alice Rose was created successfully. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. And if you have any question, please don't mind to send in the comment section, and I'll be happy to answer any question. Thank you. Bye.